So late night for us tonight. We're just doing some little mocking up, making sure everything's up here. This is actually the 8th gen spindles that we made. So we were trying to keep everything OEM. What we did was we made it thicker, so it's you can see it over here. I'll show you. But see, this is what it looks like here, fitted, all OEM locations, everything, angles and everything. So this is the OEM one here. This is what we make. Right here you can see it's a lot thicker here, also here and here. So this one here allows to use our hubs in it, for our hubs, and it's a straight bolt on. So we wanted to do something a little different.
Yep. Easier too. Just bolt on. Only thing you gotta weld is the upper bar on the diff, right?
That's pretty much it. Yep. Double bar. So we're getting it up here.
That's it, guys. Bolt that up. Bolt this up, and then the bar up here is gonna get welded to the sides, and that's it.
And that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Piece
That's
of cake.
it for the back end.
All right, 8th gen, 9th gen, guys. There we have it. Oh.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. Will have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind.